Welcome back, my Cool House Show family. And if you recently subscribed, welcome to the Cool House Show family. And if you have not subscribed and you're watching this video, now's a great time to subscribe because you wanted me to be able to welcome you to Cool House Show family on the next episode. So hit that subscribe button down below. But hey, let's move on to our video, which you all are here for, which is a traditional Thanksgiving Day meal, stuffing. So as you saw, we did preheat the oven to 350. And we did cut some bread. You're going to have to cut more bread than what I showed. I just showed a little bit just so you get the idea. And as you see, I'm cutting a celery. Again, I'm not showing cutting the entire celery. This is just so you get an idea. But as you do see in the back, there is a cup of celery. That is how much you want for this ingredient. And now let's melt some butter. So as you see, I dropped the butter in the pan. And now we're going to melt it. I got a little holiday spatula here. So, little excitement, right, for the holiday season. Give it a little flair. So, as you see, the butter has melted. You're going to have to melt along with this. Again, I do not show it because I'm sure you really do not feel like sitting here watching butter melt. So, let's go on to our next step, which is the celery into the skillet. This is horizontal because I did shoot this on my phone. So, that is why it says horizontal. But as you see now, we are putting minced onion here. You can use real onions if you want. I'm just using minced onions. If you want to cut, you can cut those in the beginning when you cut the celery. It's totally your choice, whatever onions you prefer. Either one will be perfectly delicious. But anyway, let's move on. So now, as you see, we are going to just cook our celery. And you want to cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes. So I'm not going to probably show the whole thing. I'm going to show me doing a little bit of it. But as I do this, I am going to let you listen to a little music, and I will be back for the next step. Alright, now we are going to combine everything into a bowl. So as you see, I am grabbing the bread here, and I'm just going to put the bread into a bowl. You could actually use a larger bowl. As you see, the bread is overflowing. I probably should have used a larger bowl, but hey, live and learn, right? So probably a little advice, use a bigger bowl. Anyway, let's keep going here. So now, as you see, we are going to now put our celery in the same bowl. Make sure you get every little piece of celery. And now you're going to put some chicken broth in. Again, this is horizontal. This was recorded on my phone. So now you're going to put chicken broth in like so. Now you're going to take some thyme, and you're going to put a teaspoon of thyme over it. Try to cover like much as the top as you can. As you see what I'm doing. You put another teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of sage. Say that a couple times fast. So as you see, I'm just putting it right over the top like so. A little salt and pepper. A little parsley on top. And then you're just going to stir it all about to get it all nice and mixed in together like so. So as I stir, enjoy a little bit of more music. So now we are going to put our stuffing in our baking pan. As you see, you're just going to push it right out of the bowl, nice and easy. And clump it like this. Then you just see I take the spoon, spread it out to cover the entire baking dish like so. You want to make sure you get every corner of that baking dish covered. And I did not show it, but do put some spray down, non-stick spray, so it does not stick to the pan. And you're just going to cover it in aluminum foil like so. And then a little action here. We're going to take it to the oven like so. Stick it in, close the oven, and we are going to now cook it for 30 minutes. Now once it is done, you are going to take it out of the oven. Always use a safety min. Safety first, Kuhash Joe. And then you're going to see, take the aluminum foil off, like so. Look at this. Doesn't that look delicious? Whew. But we're not done. You have to put it in for another 10 minutes. So we're going to do more little action shots here, or action movement, I should say. And now we go back and we are going to cook it for another 10 minutes. And now, voila! Here is your delicious stuffing. The stuffing that everybody will be stuffing the mouse with. And will be saying, this was delicious. Where'd you get this from? If you've won, make sure you tell them I saw it on a Kuhash Joe. So, as I always say, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Enjoy. Schmarschnagel. Hit that subscribe and like button if you like this video. And I will see you next time here on Kuhash Joe.